We woke up to winter in this part of the country this morning. A nice dusting of snow covering the grass. So we're going to make our own sunshine. Our sunshine in the form of lemon curd using these gorgeous lemons. Lemon curd is sweet and tart at the same time. Silky, smooth, and delicious.
This is a Tricky Beat production.
Welcome to Sweet Spot.
Damn!
Before we get started with this really easy lemon curd recipe, I wanted to share something that a couple Sweet Spot Kitchen fans have sent in. Tickled me. It really tickled me. I'm thrilled to be able to share this. For my pecan pie video with the pretty leaf crust, well, I have a couple fans that sent in pictures of their renditions of this, and I'm just thrilled. Here, take a look. And I love this new app. Oh, sorry. Look at that. That's beautiful. And that one, oh my, oh yeah, I love this. This is so nice. Hey, if you make something, hashtag it, Sweet Spot Kitchen. Sweet Spot Kitchen. And now on to the lemon curd. Pretty small set of ingredients. 4 large eggs, and I've gotten requests to share metric equivalents for the recipe, so I'll be doing that. 4 large eggs, in metric, 4 large eggs. And lemons for lemon curd, obviously. I prefer using organic if you can find them, otherwise you're fine. We need about a half a cup of lemon juice, freshly squeezed, which is 2 large lemons typically. If you find smaller lemons or they're a little bit lighter, you might need 3. That's a half a cup of juice. In metric, 118 milliliters. But before we extract the juice from the lemons, we want to zest them and end up with about a tablespoon of lemon zest. 6 grams, or 7 or 8, 6, 7, 8 grams, you know. I use a microplane zester, which makes a very, very fine zest. And when you zest, just zest off the yellow. Don't take the white pith, that's just bitter. Then we juice. Use any juicer you like. The zest and the lemon juice in a medium-sized pot. Add a half a cup of sugar. 100 grams, that's 100 grams. Into the pot, 3/4 a stick of butter, 85 grams. Bring everything to a boil except for the eggs, beat them on the side. Then temper the eggs by pouring just a little bit of the boiling mixture into them and whisk them thoroughly. Add a little more, whisk, add a little bit more, whisk, till it's all in. Then back onto the stove and whisk constantly until the mixture begins to thicken. And when it's thick enough to cover the back of a spoon, off the heat, strain it, and into the fridge. Hey, let's see how it's done. The only challenging part about lemon curd is that you need to keep whisking while it's on the heat, but stop whisking when it can coat the back of a spoon. You'll feel the lemon curd thickening, and then suddenly it coats the back of a spoon. Then take it off the heat immediately, and through a strainer it pours. And cover the lemon curd with a piece of plastic wrap, pressing the plastic wrap down onto the surface of the lemon curd so no skin will develop. Into the fridge for 2, 3, 4 hours till it's well chilled. Our lemon curd has chilled and it's thickened up quite nicely. So how do you enjoy lemon curd? You could smear it on toast directly in place of jelly or jam. It's delicious. It provides a delicious lemony flavor when mixed with buttercream to fill and cover a cake or a cupcake. Put into pretty little jars. They make great gifts, and the recipients will think you worked really, really hard to make this. But for today's taste test, to enjoy the lemon curd, I whipped up a little whipped cream. That's whipped cream from a cow, not whipped cream from a can. I don't think that'll work. A teaspoon or 2 of powdered sugar to sweeten it just a bit. Pretty thick cream. And we want to put in a tablespoon or so, maybe a little more, of lemon curd. We just want to fold this gently. Put a couple berries. I've got some blackberries in the bottom of a parfait dish or a martini glass. A couple raspberries. A little more lemony whipped cream. And then a few blueberries. And the taste test. Luscious. Oh my goodness. This is so good. Blended with whipped cream. Very tart, not too sweet, silky delicious. And the berries, lemon and berries, blue, black, raz, doesn't matter. They're so good. What else can we do? I could toast a piece of bread and smear on some lemon curd, but what kind of fun is that? Rather than that, I whipped together cookie crumb tart shells in a little mini muffin pan. How easy is that? Recipe's easy as can be. You'll find it on the website and in the YouTube notes below. And they're adorable. I'll spoon in a little lemon curd and put on a berry, raspberry, blueberry, blackberry, your choice, or even a strawberry or a combination. I'll do a raspberry. Adorable. And a taste of the lemon curd. Wow. The crust is heavenly. With the lemon curd inside, this is delicious. Wow, sweet, tart, silky. This tastes like sunshine. If you're not a subscriber, now's the time to subscribe. Click the button below. Hit the bell to get notifications. Love to see your comments. Don't forget, hashtag Sweet Spot Kitchen. Love to see your pictures. Until next time, this is it for Sweet Spot.